Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Yeah, this is Millie Abe. I've taken you guys through several videos, and right now I want to take you guys through basic terminologies, like basic terms used when you're using Excel, right? Like Excel is like, should I say, document, okay, used like maybe when making reports, correcting errors and all that. So right now I'm going to show you guys, so we're going to open our what we're going to open an Excel worksheet. As you can see, I'm trying to open. Yeah, so this is it. I'm going to just show you guys like the terms used there. Yeah, so this is our layout. We have in our Excel, we have a lot of tabs. As you can see, we have a cell, we have all those things. But right now, okay, let me just tell you guys, there is workbook. What is a workbook in Excel worksheet? Okay, a workbook is simply like a word. It is a file that contains more than one spreadsheet. So yeah, it is a file that contains more than one spreadsheet. I want to show you guys. Okay, when you see on your workbook here, there is only one sheet so far, but there is a provision of you adding like another sheet on your left bottom corner. You just tap add sheet, and then you can have like 4, 5 sheets, 2 sheets. Yeah, so that's what we call a workbook. And now we have a worksheet. A worksheet is this layout, like you can see here, this thing that looks like a table. That's a worksheet, like where you're going to do your work from, make your reports from, do calculations from. And then we have a row. This, what is a row? A row is these things that are marked with numbers, these horizontal things, okay? So yeah, you can see here there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a lot of numbers. So these are rows, these horizontal lines are rows. And then we have columns. Columns are these, there are these features that are marked with letters. You can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, blah, 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 up to Z. So those are columns. Yeah, I'm sure you guys haven't studied. These vertical linings are columns. And then we have a cell. What is a cell? A cell is this where my cursor is. That cursor small, Should I call it a box or a rectangle? But it is like simply an intersection of a column and a row. So that is what we call a cell. And then we have a range. What is a range? A range, let me show you guys. A range is a group of cells. You can see I'm trying to show you guys what a range is. Yeah, let me try to enlarge and show you guys the clear definition of a range. So you can see I highlighted this is a range. A range is a group of cells, okay? So that is a range. And then like maybe for functions or maybe formula, there is, you can see where my cursor is, it's reading. When I put there, that is a formula bar. When you want to like maybe calculate something, you put in a formula. Yeah, you guys will see when I'm taking you guys through my next video, like when I'm explaining Excel and all that. So that's a formula bar where you can put your formula. And yeah, then there is function. You can also come here and then you type in function, like maybe if function, you put if, you put if, and then you open brackets, and then you type in the function, like how you want your work to come out. And then there is a sheet table. A sheet table is a table at the bottom of the workbook, like at the bottom, this one, that is what we call a sheet table. Yeah, so basically I've taken you guys through the terms used in Microsoft Excel worksheet. Yeah, now You guys just wait for my next video. I'm going to take you guys like through how to maybe make a report in Excel and all those. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you all. Bye bye.